This video shows us going from Oban, which is in the hills over there, across Loch Linnhe and up into here, which is the Sound of Mull, and into Loch Aline here. And it shows us using the electric motor, particularly to go as close to the wind as possible when going across Loch Linnhe, and to help us coming up the Sound of Mull, where the winds are a bit erratic. We're just leaving Oban harbour here at 5 o'clock in the morning. The wind in here is a little bit stronger than I expected, but if it's no stronger out there, it should be a lovely sail over to Loch Aline. So it's pretty windy out here, but there's actually very calm seas. We've got the Torqeedo going 600 watts, got about 13 knots of wind, as close as possible to try to make the entrance to the Sound of Mull. We'll get through in about an hour. It's 4:46 now, we're in the middle of Loch Linnhe. We're going about 2.5 knots. And we're going far faster than we would be normally and far closer to the wind, because we've got 1,000 watts of Torqeedo going at the moment in order to get us past this lighthouse here and let us enter the Sound of Mull, which we should do in about 20 minutes. Well, unfortunately we're cheating a bit now. We're really just using the motor. We've got the jib in, I've left the mainsail up. It's not doing much. And this is in order to get around one of these rocks here. You see the main lighthouse there, and then there's also another rock out here which I want to go to the left of. We could go in between the two, but I think it's safest to go around that rock, and then we'll have a good run into Loch Aline. So we've made it. We're entering the Sound of Mull here. Just going past these rocks. And there's the main lighthouse. And then we're going to turn that way and get to Loch Aline maybe in an hour or so. And unfortunately we've got some rain headed towards us. It's coming off Mull. So the wind's all over the place in the Sound of Mull. We're on a port tack now, but it's very low wind. Yes, here at the moment. It goes down to very little sometimes. Doing 4 knots nearly. And we've got a little bit of this Torqeedo going. I thought best to put the Torqeedo going on the starboard hull. Keeps in a nice line. And this is just going at 150 watts. And after a bit under 4 hours, we're entering Loch Aline. The Mull over there behind us. And way back that way, Oban. And now we're anchored in Loch Aline. It reminds me a bit of Canada. Bit of industry going on there. Apart from that, just woodland and mountains.